edad na labing alam ng eksperto sa pagdami ng mga dalagitang sa edad na labing
You're my baby, say it to me.
More than ever, making informed choices is important. A strong family begins with responsible planning. Under the Responsible Parenthood and Reproductive Health Law, every Filipino has the right to correct information and access to family planning methods.
According to the World Health Organization, the proper use of contraceptives significantly reduces unattended pregnancies and improves the health and well-being of women, children, and families. Family planning is not about stopping life. It's about planning for a better one.
Here are the 8 types of contraceptive. Number 1, male condom. Number 2, female condom. Number 3, birth control. Number 4, ejectable. Number 5, implant. Number 6, IUD. Number 7, emergency pills. And the last one is withdrawal method. Condoms. Effectiveness up to 98 with perfect use. Science protects against pregnancy and sexually transmitted infection. Number 2, birth control pills. Effectiveness 91 to 99 depending on consistency. Science contains hormone that prevent ovulation.
Female condom. The female condom is a pouch inserted into the vagina before sex to block sperm from reaching the egg.
Injectable. The injectable, commonly called the depot shoot, it is a hormone injection given every 3 months that stop ovulation. It's highly effective with perfect use around 99 and typical use about 94.
Implant. The contraceptive implant is a small root placed under the skin of the arm that releases hormones to prevent ovulation. It lasts between 3 to 5 years and is more than 99 effectiveness.
The IUD is a small device inserted into the uterus. Copper IUDs prevent sperm from fertilizing the egg, while hormonal IUDs release hormone to stop ovulation and thicken cervical mucus. It is highly effective with over 99 effectiveness and can last from up to 5 to 10 years depending on the types.
Emergency pill. The emergency contraceptive pill is taken after the unprotected sex to prevent pregnancy, ideally within 72 hours. It works mainly by delaying ovulation. Its effectiveness ranges from 75% to 89% depending on how soon it is taken after the intercourse. Withdrawal method. The withdrawal method involves removing the penis from the vagina before ejaculation to prevent sperm from entering. While perfect use can be about 96% effective, typical use is much lower, around 78%, making it one of the less reliable contraceptive methods.
This is the message for teenagers like us. For teenagers, using condoms is especially important because it protects their health and reduces the risk of HIV and other sexually transmitted infections. Teenagers are more vulnerable to misinformation and unsafe sexual practices. So, choosing to use condom is a responsible step forward staying healthy and safe. Condoms act as a barrier that prevents exchange of body fluids, which is how HIV is commonly transmitted.